Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you are on the hunt for a great sling backpack that can be used for so many different occasions, then I highly recommend this one from INOXTO. This is my first sling bag and I did not know what I was missing. I have fallen in love with this bag. It is so functional, so many pockets, and it can fit everything that I need. Another bonus that I really like is the water bottle pocket with a drawstring to cinch it if you need, but I have a big Yeti that fits in there perfectly. I also really like the padded design. It's breathable and soft. I can easily fit my tablet, notebooks, pens. I travel light as it is, so I just pack the essentials, but this can also be used for pickleball paddles. You could bring it to the gym. If you're a commuter, this is perfect for college students, and it's a great quality. Another feature that I absolutely love that I didn't realize I was really going to like is that it's waterproof. And where I live, it rains a lot, so being able to have a waterproof bag is essential. It also has D-rings here on the side, so you can choose which shoulder you want to throw it over. Overall, I am really impressed with the quality and how comfortable this bag is to wear all day. I think you will love it too. But that's just my point of view.